ba ang hirap yan? Imagine first time ka ate, tapos kasama pa yung mga great actors and actresses. Di ba nakakakabot talaga?
Kaya mga eksena na namin na Andres, pag may eksena kami, hindi ako tumitingin sa kanya talaga. Parang, gano'n. Kasi, so paano ganyan mo? Hindi ako pa yung tumingin kasi kung tumingin ako sa mata niya. Hindi naman sa makukonsyos siya. Siyempre pag umarte ako na diretso, Andres, alam mo, ganyan. Yung tingin ko na gano'n, baka mapatingin siya gano'n. Kasi iniisip ko, sana mabitaw mo na yung linya mo, no? Kaya niya naman. Kasi at Tagalog lang kasi. So, pag Tagalog kasi, ito na. Alam, ito kasi yung ganyan sasabihin niya. Di ba parang, ito na, tingnan. Tumigil at pause! Tapos tumuloy, Pero, pag nagkatsa mo, hindi kwento wala, parang mawala. Talaga naawa talaga ako kasi kita ko, nagkamali siya, nanginginig yung kamay niya. Diba? Naalala mo yung sila.
One time lang.
Kasi naiilang yata siya pag the whole cast is there sa table yung eksena. Parang ako nung bata rin naman, diba? May eksena gano'n na pagkasama yung mga senior sa'yo, parang naku-conscious ka. So, naiintindihan ko talaga yan. And then I had to tell him talaga sa bahay. Sabi ko, kasi mo yung nervous mo na yan. Yan, magaling ka naman.
Tama.
Magaling ka naman. Sabi ko, magaling mo, basta bitawan mo lang kung matakot.
Tsaka gwapo.
Pati,
gwapo siya.
Tsaka gwapo daw.
Pag gwapo ka, parang hindi ka pwedeng magkamali.
Can I add something?
Yes, please.
You know, Andres, I'm really very proud of you. Actually, both of your kids. Kasi, you know, if you're a newcomer, minsan, lalo na these children are so good looking, there's some actors na parang they're so conscious about pangit ba ako dito or whatever. Sila, they just jump into the scene kahit awkward yung magiging tsura nila or something. Malalakas ang loob. And even I can see that during the first taping most especially, medyo si Andres, you know, he was because of the lines, he can actually read kasi Tagalog. But what I like about him is matapang siyang bata. And he's willing to learn. And I think that's the most important thing for him. Kasi, you know, para sa isang artista, naisip, anak ako na artista. You know, anak ako na sikat na artista. So, lahat kayo bagay sa akin. Walang ganon. And I think this is something that Aga and Charlene should know, that they raised very good kids.
Yes!
Very good kids na walang yabang, at saka, you know, nasa title role na sila kaagad, but you can never feel na parang napaka-importante. They're very nice with the staff. Hindi spoiled ng mga bata, pero yun nga, Andres, you're doing very well. Siguro ngayon mako-conscious ka kasi kinukwento itong mga mo, but it's something that's very natural. And I appreciate it well that, you know, you're always there you're trying to learn, and I'm very proud of you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Ako din naiyak din. Thank you, Tita Sens. Ako din po naiyak. Hindi ko naman sila alam.
Pero talaga si Andres, alam mo kahit tingnan mo yung itsura niya, parang pinaghalong Richard Gomez at Aga Mula. Diba? Grabe, pero napaka-humble. Si Tasha naman, napakagaling at talagang tinuturuan niya si Andres pagdating na doon sa pagkatagalog kasi sanay na siya. Oo, grabe si Tasha. Si Tasha ang pinaka-the best actress in Europe.
Europe talaga. Expect yun yan. Pero kung nakakatuwa kasi habang sinasabi ni Miss Cesar, kita ko how proud si Sir Aga and si Miss Shirley of these children. But I also saw Atasha. When Miss Cesar was talking about you, Andres, she's so proud of you. Grabe. I saw her face.
Atasha, reaction.
Atasha, what can you say? What can you say, Atasha?
Sabihin ni Andres.
Parang tiga-tugtugan eh.
We're all very proud of you kasi for a first-timer. First time on set na meron kang lines at you have to act. For a first-timer, magaling. Magaling, napapahusay, at talented. So keep it up. Just keep on going.
Magaling ka.
Andres, diba? Nakakatawa na rin makita ang side ito of Mulak family. And this side we've never seen before. We want to see it. We're so excited to see it sa the first family, you know. And I'm very excited and I'm mga friends from the press to ask your questions. So having said that, we're going to be opening the floor for a quick...
Before your parents to Atasha and Andres, and now your parents two celebrities, two TV stars, and probably soon to be movie stars. Ano ang pagkakaiba?
Okay, let's go way back kasi parang syempre alam ng lahat magkapatid sila, kambal sila. But growing up, Agay really made parang a conscious effort na parang magkaroon sila ng sariling identity. To the point na they went to different schools, they studied in different countries. So as artists naman, Aga and I talked about it na parang, anong gagawin natin diskarte dito, di ba? Parang when we go on the set, will we be a parent? But we decided that we will be co-actors. And then we will just let our writers, si Randy, and then of course the cast and our directors, si Direk Danny, to take charge. So we're just in the backseat. Pagdating naman sa artistry nila, we allow them to grow and create the path or journey that they will be taking. So, pag humihingi naman sila ng tulong or guidance sa amin, we're there for them, but we give them and we respect their individual creativity.
Si Aga, ikaw, madami.
Well, halos yun na rin talaga yun. Kailangan kasi nilang maramdaman yung nervyos, kailangan nilang maramdaman yung pagkakamali, kailangan nilang para matuto sila. Kasi kahit naman anong sabihin namin, kung magsasabi kami, kahit sasabihin nilang yes, iba talaga pag na-experience mo. Like, kunyari pag nasa set ka, pag kinabahan ka, that's beyond my control. Parang, so sasabihan mo na sila, kaya importante, more than your lines, really, more than your looks and ganyan, is your confidence. You well, aside from that, believing in yourself also. Yeah, but more than that, of course, mas masaya ako na andito na sila, nakatrabaho sila. Ngayon sa tatahakin pa nila, nasa sa kanila na talaga yan. Nasa kami, nandito lang kami sa likod nila, pero di kami makikialam talaga. Sinabi ko naman talaga sa aking asawa na sabi ko, kung gusto nila mag-artista talaga, ako, I will make sure talaga hindi ako makikialam o manghihima. So kahit kunyari kung dumating ng panahon na may love life sila, may bilang sila, parang ganun eh. Kung di ba? Sasabihan ko sila pag medyo mali, parang wag yan, di ba? Hindi naman sa wag yan. Parang ganun. Hindi naman sa wag yan. Parang ibig sabihin parang hindi ka ako makikialam talaga. Hindi naman naman makikialam. Walang okay na naman kung yan, di ba?
Parang dito ka, my love.
Nagulungan nga ako eh. So, parang basta masaya naman na nandyan. Pero kasi, pumasok sila kasi sa mundo ko. Alam ko yung dadaanan nila dyan. Alam ko yung hirap na yan. So, yun na lang ang matuturo sa kanila. Basta kami nandito kami sa likod nila parati. Kung kailangan nila advice or tulong or ganyan, hindi kami mawawala talaga dyan. But they have to experience it. Lahat ng pain, lahat ng learnings, experiences, yung hardship, that's their best teacher. I would tell them that as well. And Tita says maraming salamat sa sinabi mo. Nakakaiyak yung kanina, salamat. Maraming salamat talaga. So I just wish it well. Tasha and Andres, coming from me, really, para sa kanila sasabihin ko na I just want to wish you both the best, all the luck in the world, and just always pray. I always tell you guys that, always pray. You know the magic and the power of prayers. One day, siguro you may not realize it now, but someday, at some point, you'll know how God works.
Yes. Amen.
Yung nakakaiyak, yung sinabi mo, in fairness. And my next question for you is, since ikaw alas bumuo, nito ikaw lang nagtawag sa kanilang lahat. In the future, ba may posibilidad na ang The First Family mapanood sa isang pelikula?
Yung okay dok naman, ginawa namin pelikula rin dati. So, kung papayag yung mga anak ko, kasi siyempre, ibang manager nila, di naman kami. So, kung papayag sila magkakawa ng pelikula, or pag gusto nila, pag ready sila, bakit naman hindi? Game na game naman ako dyan. Sana, di ba? That would be nice. Pero hanggang maaari, gusto ko rin sana tumakbo yung karera nila sa kanila. Yung sa sarili nila naman. Hindi ka nang kasama, hindi dahil sa akin, hindi dahil sa namin nila. But I want a dress to be, my dream for a dress is to be him, you know, to shine as a dress, and Natasha to shine as Natasha in whatever field.
Anyways, thank you and congratulations.
Salamat. Thank you.
Our next question is from Jun Lalin of Aban.